In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vagaro Pay Later. First, you'll want to head over to vagaro.com in your web browser. Once you're on the website, locate and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure to have your username and password handy and type them into the provided fields, then hit enter or click login. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, navigate to your profile by clicking on the profile icon, usually found at the top of the screen. Once inside your profile, look for an option labeled Vagaro Pay Later and click on it. This feature is designed to offer clients a flexible payment plan, which can be particularly useful for larger transactions or when clients are looking for ways to manage their budgets. Now that you're in the Vagaro Pay Later section, you'll see an option that says Get Started. Click on it to begin the setup process. Before you proceed, it's essential to ensure that your credit card processing is activated. This step is important because Vagaro's credit card processing features must be live to offer the Pay Later option to your clients. Next, you'll need to enable the Vagaro Pay Later feature in your settings. This is a crucial step because it allows the feature to be used during the checkout process. Once you have enabled Vagaro Pay Later in the settings, here's how you can utilize it. During checkout, when completing a transaction, select Vagaro Pay Later as the payment method. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount to be applied through Vagaro Pay Later. This can be either a portion or the entire total due amount, depending on your client's preferences. Once chosen, your clients will then need to link a US bank account. This requirement is necessary for ACH payments via Certegy, and as part of the approval process, clients will provide some basic information, and once approved, the payment amounts are divided into 4 scheduled deductions over 6 weeks. These electronic funds transfers, or EFTs, occur automatically on each due date, making it a seamless transaction for both you and your clients. A pro tip to keep in mind is to double check that your Vagaro credit card processing is active before offering the Pay Later option. It's a necessary prerequisite that ensures the entire process flows smoothly. By following these steps, you can start providing more flexible payment options to your clients, enhancing their experience with your services. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide to using Vagaro Pay Later helpful.